Hi everyone, I am Kinga from Bhutan. Today I am here to show my garden overview as today 2024 the first time raining in my place, and I was worried that what my plants will happen because whole day and night it's been raining, and now I am worried about my winter flowers because it's time to go and I have to save them and protect from the rain as they will go to the dormancy period, and now they will just have to keep under the shade place and should keep under the shaded places, bright place. And these are my armory lilies which I have grown from the bulb. So today I am shifting my kalenchoes from, I will pinch out all the gone flowers and keep at a place where they can receive only a few or less rain. And these are my geranium cutting. These are my cyclamen about to bloom. They are all about to bloom. These are also winter flowers, so I have kept at the shaded places where they can receive only the water I pour, and so that they can stay longer life. If they receive more rain and sun, they can go to damage. These are my geraniums, ivy geraniums, and my fishes. They are happy by receiving the first gem rain of the year 2024. I have arranged my kalenchoes like this, and I kept my begonias under the sheet so that they can receive only the water I give. These are my carveras and mixed salvia. I have put the seedling, and these are armory lilies. And today I have this much to share only. Please subscribe my channel. Your one subscribe will encourage me to make more video like this. Bye bye.